Infosys founder and chairman N.R. Narayana Murthy has signaled more changes at the board level as more founders prepare to retire from the Infy board next year. ET-Now's Chandra Srikanth joins in with lots more on this. And Chandra, lots of changes possibly in the offing.
That's right. These changes will be triggered by the fact that 3 members are stepping down on the board. That includes 2 founders. So Srinath Bhatni is stepping down at the end of 2014, but Shibu Lal is stepping down in March 2015, and Chris Gopalakrishnan too will be stepping down from the board in April 2015. So that really leaves 3 vacancies on the board, which is why Murthy came out and said that a lot more changes will happen at the board level because a lot of people will be leaving as far as the executive board positions are concerned. He's also said that the process is on to find a suitable successor to Shibu Lal. On the growth part, he said something very important, that the company will end the year at about 11.5 to 12% revenue growth guidance, but he's unhappy because it is still below the NASSCOM estimate of 13 to 15%. So he's saying that the company has to really do a lot more to catch ground with the industry peers. He's also said that they are trying to really go back to the PSPD model to derive growth with profitability. So these are some of the highlights of what Narayana Murthy told investors at a Deutsche Bank call today.